What is up, you all? It is KingBritneyChanel, and you are back on my SaeBritneyChanel channel. Today is my aesthetic kitchen makeover and tour. So I'm going to be showing you some changes that I made to my kitchen, and also sharing with you even updated changes that I plan on making aesthetically to make my kitchen makeover where I need it to be. Okay, so if you like these sort of makeover videos or aesthetic videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share the video, and let's get started. I hope you enjoy. Here we are, you all. So we are in my kitchen, and if you have been watching the channel, you guys know that I have been working on this area for quite some time. I love my kitchen. I have had this kitchen for 7 years now, and it is holding up very good. Okay, so let's talk about the first makeover thing aesthetically that I did in here. For the refresh makeover part, I had to find some bar stools, you guys. It is such a task to find bar stools, especially when you need about 6 of them, because you're not going down to your local Home Goods or your stores and just finding 6 at one time. If you do, honey, let me know where you are shopping at, because it is a task. So in my particular kitchen area, as far as like my island, I had chairs, but I wanted to bring these chairs up to date, you guys. And I went through trial and error. That's just how home decor works. You find something and then you're like, I need something else. So I bought initially these chairs that I thought were going to be taupe, but they ended up being gray, and that just wasn't working. So I was glad when I found these black chairs. Now over here in the kitchen, I have a bunch of marble accents because I love the way that marble incorporates with my countertop and my backsplash. And I just feel like, it adds that oomph. You know what I'm saying? I also, what's new over here is I love my oil containers. If you guys are interested in these oil containers, I will put the link in the description. But I love using certain oils, so it's very cute that I'm able to, add them to home decor without them looking like, oh, that bottle is not going. Over here, I added a cute tea kettle, like the old school tea kettle. It's nice and gold. It's really warming up my brown cabinets and the white countertops that I have. And then I also added these new placemats. So the goal in here was to warm up the white backsplash in the cabinets in here. And so I really feel like it really warmed up and made my kitchen cozy the way I like. But I also like that when I designed my kitchen, I thought to create a kitchen that was going to be timeless and not go out of style very quickly. Like, classic kitchens really save you a lot of money on the long run because they just don't go out of style, and I feel like you get a lot for your money. So over here in this area, my tea station, I added, the marble, features over there too, the marble accents. And so I'm just looking around, you guys, because I'm just loving how my kitchen is turning out. Now, thinking about these chairs and what I had to do for these chairs, now that I have the chairs in the space and I've gotten my old chairs out of the space, I think I'm going to paint the island piece of my, my bar area right here, because that gray is just not going anymore. So I'm going to paint that. But also, you guys, when I received these chairs, I did a little DIY on my chairs. The seat cushions were originally this beige color, and I was like, it just was not going. So I made my seat cushions black and gold to kind of pop, you know, things like the doors in my house. All of the doors in my house are a beautiful like black color. And you know, obviously I want to pop my chalk wall because I love, you know, a lot of people feel ways about chalk walls. I love chalk walls, but I love the way it's pulling the blacks, you know, that I have throughout the space. Like you see I have the black cutting board and it's just pulling, and this just was a perfect combo with these chairs, black and then the wood at the bottom. Like I love even how easy these chairs were to put together was amazing. So this is where we are at so far, you guys, as far as the aesthetic for the kitchen. I am gonna work to redo the breakfast nook. It just takes a little time when you do home decor because you'll have a vision for something and then you have to go and source the pieces for the space to put it together. And sometimes when you buy stuff, okay, you're like, I like this in that moment, but it's not functional wise going with what I'm trying to do for the space. And so now that I have the chairs that I perfectly wanted for this space, now it's getting the ball rolling and my juices flowing to create and, you know, get aesthetics going for the rest of the space surrounding the kitchen. And then I still have my nice pendant lights that I have going, creating that ambiance above my bar area. So this is where we are right now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more home decor inspiration, lifestyle, and so much more.